Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to teach you how to track text into a moving shot using After Effects. So we are in After Effects now.
First thing is you import your footage, then create a new composition. Automatically, After Effects is going to create a new composition using the frame size and frame rate of the footage that is selected.
Once you have imported the clip you want to work with, locate your effect 3D camera tracker. That's what we are going to use to track the footage. You go to tracker panel, click track camera, then it's going to analyze for some minutes. Give it time to do its thing. Other ways you can look for the 3D camera tracker is you go to effect and presets, then you search for 3D camera tracker. Once you drag and drop it, automatically it starts analyzing the background. So you wait for a while, let it do its thing. You can see in the effects control that it's going to take 9 minutes, and we have about 200 plus frames. So when the camera is done solving, here is time we start the work. So you start noticing little track points around the video. You can see as you play back, front and back, you can still see there are different points, and it's showing different angles, different tracking points that you can use, even up to the cars, to the building far back. So now you are going to select the points that you want to use. Then once you create a circle around the points, you right click, create text and camera. So now you input your text. You can write anything. This is the Civic Center in Lekki, Lagos. So you change the orientation if it's not looking straight. You can do that by dragging these buttons. The text is black. Let's change that to white. You can see that it tracks. Even if my text is not looking appropriate right now, you can see that it's tracking to that area. So if I click anywhere around here, it's going to do the same. Let's use here for example. You can see this is 1004 building. So you change the orientation to match this building angle like it's there. I'm going to blend it afterwards. You can increase the scale if you want it to show more bigger, or you want it to be visible. You can see that it tracks alongside with the building, even when the building is not shown in the shot again. The text follows it alongside. You can go to the extent of masking. That is, you put the text under, but that will be in another video. Let's change the orientation of this one. So now you can see that the shot tracks alongside. For the other video too, you can see that the points is everywhere. It's just for you to pick the points you want to put your icon, logo, call outs, anything you want to put inside. 3D, it goes a long way. 3D camera tracker is a very good tool when it comes to tracking objects into a video. This is a classic VFX technique that makes any handheld or drone shot look like a professional shot. So you can see that After Effects understand the physical space of the video. Every point is being dotted out, so it's easy for you to apply the tracker. You can see this dozen of colorful track points scattered across the footage. It's defining the plane. Now we tell the software where the ground is, the wall is, and the right angle where we want to put our text. Any point you want to use is your sweet spot, or you can drag like 3 to 5 points around that area so it's balanced. And remember, you can always format your text anyhow you want it, whether it's the position, whether it's the rotation, whether it's the scale, or any form of orientation. So you can see that the video and the text are looking like they are one, like is there. You can go to the extent of adding motion blur or any form of blend mode to blend the text. You can try different options. You have screen, you have multiply, view, hard light. For this one, we can use like lighting or something like overlay. Yes, this overlay works best. Yes, I think I like how it looks on this one too. Mm. So you can reduce the opacity of the text so you can blend well because it's a little bit harsh because of the overlay. Let's put this one to 70. So you can see how it blends smoothly into the scene. If you can't see the points, go to your effect controls, click on 3D camera tracker, then the track points will pop up. If the track points are too small, change the track point size in the effect controls panel to see them better. You can also add fast box blur or any type of blur that you feel like adding. Or let's go for fast box blur. Add like three areas, iteration, three. And you can also add motion blur on the text individually. Let's do that individually. So you can see as it blend into the surface, like it's actually written like a graffiti or like a paint on the ground. So far, you have the track point selected. You can always switch the position. It's going to still maintain that same angle and position. So this works for callouts, for commercials and real estate videos, or when you are trying to pinpoint a location in a drone footage, like this example. So that's how you track text into a video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, and share to your family and friends, even your enemies too. I remain your humble host, Arigba Bukende, from Peerpix Production. See you another time. See you again.